For 20 years, Pendotech has been pushing the boundaries of what's possible in single-use sensors and bioprocess monitoring. And when customers tell us our sensors are the most reliable they've ever used, it's a powerful reminder of how much our work truly makes a difference. In bioprocessing, every decision depends on accurate data: pressure, pH, temperature, and conductivity. And our work is driven by a clear purpose: to empower the biopharma industry with the confidence to make those decisions in real time. With sustainability in mind, our single-use sensors take the stress out of cleaning, reduce cross-contamination risk, and help our customers work faster and more efficiently. Our legacy isn't just technology, it's partnership. We stand alongside our customers at every stage: R&D, scale-up and production, offering hands-on support, service, and guidance shaped by 20 years of experience. As bioprocessing becomes more digital and automated, Pendotech continues to lead the way with real-time data, advanced single-use technologies, and smarter process monitoring that accelerates throughput and time to market. In 2021, Pendotech joined the METTLER TOLEDO family, expanding capabilities and strengthening our innovation pipeline. Thank you to our customers and employees for making this journey possible. Together, we're empowering the future of bioprocessing.